Hi guys, good to see you. Today we've got a trigonometry question from a final exam and I'm gonna to knock it out in under 2 minutes. Pay attention to the question. If theta equals 22.5, find f equal minus 1 plus tangent 7 times theta. Let's go. First we'll find the value of 7 times theta. 7 times theta equals 7 times 22.5 equals 157.5 can be right 180 minus 22.5. Now by substitute this value into f, therefore f equal minus 1 plus tangent 180 minus 22.5. This term can be right minus tangent 22.5. Then can be right 1 minus tangent 22.5. On the other hand, we have a trigonometric relation to calculate tangent 22.5. Relation is tangent x equal 1 minus cosine 2x over sine 2x. By this relation, then we can write tangent 22.5 equal 1 minus cosine 45 over sine 45. Cosine 45 and sine 45 equal 1 minus root 2 over 2. Then minus root 2 over 2. Now by multiplying the top and bottom of the fraction by root 2, we get tangent 2.5 equal root 2 minus 1 over 1 can be right root 2 minus 1. Finally, we just plug tangent 22.5 back into f. F equal minus 1 minus tangent 22.5. Then by substitute can be right f equal minus 1 minus root 2 minus 1 and equal minus root 2. Well done everyone. See you in next math question.